On a boom bum.
On a boom bum bum. Defending.
Oh, we got an unranked. We got a couple of unranks. 3 unranks total. Someone stole my May. You already know. You want me to Ryan it? Alright, I can Ryan.
You could Ryan on this map.
Yeah, true. What up, y'all? What? This guy didn't even play last season? How's he in this game?
Justice will be done.
That's how you do it.
Oh, I get cold just looking at you.
Then you should look somewhere else.
Oh, get told.
Oh, got him.
Get told, Junkrat. Get told.
Gather some valuable data on this mission.
Hopefully this May knows what she's doing.
I'm not counting on it, but hopefully.
Hello! My New Year's resolution? Same as every year. Fight for justice.
Fight for justice, dude.
You have to let it go.
Don't you push me off.
Did it.
Make sure to eat those oncoming fire strikes for me.
Got you.
Oh, let's go.
Nice. Wow.
A Junkrat. I got a fire. I'll fire it.
The boop her.
Nice. Did you move her off the map?
No, I didn't kill her, but she's about to go through that hole and try to boop her out of it.
Oh, cheers. Here comes Ryan.
Nice.
Hit his ass. Alright, I'm going back up front.
Alright. Ryan's coming back middle. He's lit.
My ultimate is charging.
The first. Gosh.
Yeah, the Reinhardt's trash too. Here comes Ryan in.
Oh, left AS. Nice. Nice save.
I got your back. Oh, they got a diva now instead of something.
I probably would fall off.
Oh yeah, that was a fire. Oh, chance. Shield's going down in a second.
My ultimate is ready.
Shield's going down.
Diva's up in the hole. Yeah.
It's
Bad shatter.
Got shattered!
Bad shatter.
Quit double! Oh, so this is for everyone.
Let's go.
Nice. Somehow give me a quad. Quintuple kill.
Yeah, me too.
Or maybe we're just announcing yours.
I'm ready.
Could be. No, I think as long as you shot people, got some shit in there. There they come. Ryan's spotting.
Get in there.
Alright, Tracer's behind somewhere. I think we're good. Tracer's back out.
Let's go!
Let's freaking go. Our Junkrat's killing it too, actually.
Yeah.
No, except for that.
Oh, what's he doing there?
I'm getting cocky.
Oh, peace? May?
Comes Ryan.
He's on the point.
Someone, you get on point?
I'm on point.
Querido.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I actually died.
Do that. Got my ult.
We got Boostio. Stay alive. I got Earth Shatter. I got Earth Shatter, Bill. Stay alive.
We got it.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Oh, almost sniped.
Sorry, lit.
That was a waste as well. Nice. Because it wasn't really a waste. I had to do it. Did you baby diva that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Their Ryan sucked.
Yeah, he did. Classic charge in runs.
Yeah.
I made a solid wall off right after.
Yep. His team is Down syndrome.
His team.
His team is... Yeah, probably.
Yes, it is. I feel like Maywall should have less health because it's like impossible to kill.
I know, you could, but you need everybody focusing the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. And we killing it. What is Illuminati? Oh, is ISIS? ISIS?
ISIS.
Smurfing, probably?
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
There's nothing like team before. Stick together. We will complete our mission.
Maybe.
I stopped making
It's a guy who's making YouTube videos from bronze to grandmaster with sport players, so wouldn't be the first time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commences.
Ouch.
Capture objective.
I got Battle Mercy. Watch for the May. Try to bait the wall out. Yeah, they got May. I'm dead.
Got walled.
Yeah, no. Yeah,
Alright.
regroup. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we gotta regroup.
my ultimate is charged.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Damn it. I didn't see that trap. Oh, they walled themselves in.
Nice!
Nice.
Trolling?
Yeah, roll in there. Except for that.
Oh.
Alright, they're massively out of position.
I'm back in the fight.
Watch for Earth Shatter. The Ryan's got Earth Shatter.
Ready for a shock.
Okay, nice.
Tira.
Counter on top. Fuck me.
Oh. Am I getting healed? What is this?
Get in. Get back in.
Yet.
That's junk top left.
Go to sleep.
Alright, what's the plan?
Behind him, trying to make him distract him. So watch middle, so he has to go through.
Shove.
Wrong point.
Got the tire. I'm going in. I'm frozen.
Still on point.
Coming.
Shoot him up. See.
Yeah, get that mercy. I'm dead.
What's going on?
Just getting
Yeah.
dicey. Yeah, that's the problem.
10 seconds.
Coming in. Oh, that wall.
It's overtime.
Need heals if you can. I'm not gonna get on point. Damn. Unfortunate tie.
Well, overtime or not?
Yeah. Or I don't know actually. No, yeah, that's it.
Oh, fail.
Finals.
Yeah, that point's a bitch to get on.
0.
Especially with a May. Bro.
Should have flown around sooner. That fucked him up pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Also, I shouldn't have whiffed my fucking Earth Shatter. That was the point right there and I missed. Your boy, though. Oh, triple with one shatter.
Nice.
That's tight. Let's go. The guy's name is Rez. I wonder if he plays only Mercy. Oh, no. Oh, yep.
Wow.
Damn.